Copy-pasting pages of text into Google Translate isn't just a massive waste of time, it completely destroys your document's formatting. The second you paste that translated text back into your file, your tables shatter, your images shift, and your paragraph alignment is ruined. Today, I am going to show you the zero BS way to translate an entire file in a single click using WPS Office, keeping your exact layout, fonts, and tables perfectly intact. First, close your web browser. You do not need third-party websites for this. Open up the exact document, spreadsheet, or presentation you need to translate directly inside WPS Office. Look up at your top ribbon menu and click on the Review tab. Right in the middle of that toolbar, you'll see a button labeled Select and Translate. Click it, then select Translate Document from the drop-down menu. A translation panel will instantly pop up on the right side of your screen. This is where you set the rules. First, select the source language, the language your document is currently written in, and then select your target language, the language you want to convert it to. In 2026, the AI engine powering the WPS translator is incredibly sharp, meaning it understands context and industry-specific phrasing much better than the rigid web translators of the past. Once your language is translated, copy and paste translated language in your document. Here is the absolute best part about this feature. WPS does not overwrite your original file. It leaves your source document intact and instantly generates a brand new, fully translated document. Look at the new file. Your bold text is still bold. Your bullet points are intact. Your tables and images are sitting exactly where you put them. You just saved yourself 2 hours of a formatting nightmare. Hit Ctrl+S or Command+S to save this new version to your hard drive, and you are done. Your entire document is now fully translated and ready to send. Drop a comment below and let me know which languages you translate most in your workflow. But listen, translating your documents in record time means absolutely nothing if you are still wasting hours formatting, aligning, and organizing the rest of your text the hard way. If you are only using WPS Writer like a basic digital typewriter, you are leaving massive productivity on the table. Click the video on your screen right now titled 10 WPS Writer Tricks You Wish You Knew. I am going to walk you through the exact hidden keyboard shortcuts, secret formatting tools, and workflow hacks that will instantly cut your document creation time in half. Click right there to unlock your true typing speed. Make sure you are subscribed to Tony's Tech Studio, and I'll see you over in that video.